Welcome to the Halloween edition of Fairy Garden Thursday. This is hosted by Grandma Sandy and co-hosted by Sharon Shinogle, Lisa from Vancouver Island, and myself, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden. So as you can see, I have this lantern fairy canvas print that I placed on top of my piano with a mirror behind it. And here's my newest fairy, Ivy. And she's sitting on top of some books, playing some music for the fairies to enjoy, unknowing that there is fear and skeletons and things to be aware of, like the Grim Reaper here. He's holding a skull and he's making his appearance known. And here's some fairies and a little ghost in front of a house and a witch's house with a crow on top. Brrr. And so as you can see, I did put some fairy lights inside the house, and I dressed up the piano to make it scary, but yet not scary, because fairies aren't scary. So here's Benjamin, the little boy fishing, and another little fairy house with a giant spider and some pumpkins. And here is Melody with her music book, and then a spooky inn. More fairies scattered throughout. This was really fun for me to put together. I enjoyed it so much. And then a little lantern here, and some spiders, and this cute little fairy here. And I added some flowers and some moss to give it more of an authentic look. And here is Violet reading her book, and a couple more fairies listening to the story time. I'm sure she's telling a spooky Halloween tale. A little skull with a pumpkin on top, and my spooky, scary tree with ghosts and skeletons in it. How scary for the fairies. But they don't seem to be too scared. I think they're enjoying this. And here's my fairy lantern and a pumpkin with a big old spider on top. Now the ghost I made myself there with coffee filters. And here's a little fairy. She's not scared at all because she's lying down, about to go to sleep. And then my forest gnome there on the end. So there's a look at my Halloween Fairy Garden Thursday. Well, I hope you all enjoyed watching. This was really fun to put together, like I mentioned. Now there's a little fairy that's holding her little fairy baby in front of the fairy house. So if you like this, please give it a like and a share. Remember, this is an open collaboration. Anyone can join. Just hashtag Fairy Garden Thursday. Now stay tuned because there will be a nighttime view. I turned the lights out and you can see what it looks like. So thank you all for watching. Happy Halloween.